In today's video, we're going to be creating a simple kitchen gadget. Every morning I have some berries along with my oatmeal and find myself having to smash these berries using a fork, which is time consuming. And I thought today, hey, you know what? I got a 3D printer. I'm just going to jump on the Onshape, create a simple kitchen gadget that will help me mash these berries in no time. So let's jump on the Onshape here. This will help a lot of you guys that are just starting to get into CAD. This is a very simple tool to make. First thing I like to do is jump on the internet and just try to find some inspiration for my design. I'm looking for something simple that can be 3D printed all in one piece. Something like this, or this one is perfect. So you see this wooden handle here? I like that one. That's a very simple design. It can be printed all in one piece. Doesn't need any supports or anything. So that's what I'm going to do. Log into Onshape. Change your measurement units to millimeters. And I'm going to start off with a circle sketch. And I got this size by measuring the bottom of the bowl. So it's just slightly smaller than the shortest diameter on the bottom. And what I like to do to make a bunch of circular circles is I'll create some type of a hexagon. In this case, it has 10 sides. And then I use the points to create the circles. And then I can define one of the circles. And then make all the extra circles around it equal in size. That way, if I need to change the size of one, they'll all update. And then I'm going to do the same here in the center. I'm going to create another type of a hexagon. Align it to the center. Give one of the circles a defined size, and then create a bunch of other circles around it, and then make them all equal. And the nice thing about doing it this way is that you can change the diameter of the circles. You can increase or decrease the space in between them. And it makes doing this process pretty easy. Alright guys, so that's enough of me talking. I'll just let the video run here. You guys can follow along. If you want to see the details of what I'm doing, just slow the video down. That way you can see the different tools that I'm using. If you guys are interested in more information like this, tutorials on using Onshape, drop me a comment and let me know if you're starting to get into CAD, what you'd like to see, and maybe I can help out. I'm still learning myself, but I might be able to save you guys some time. All right, enough of me jabbering away. Enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you found value in this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments if you have any questions. And let me know what future Onshape content you guys like to see. Thanks for watching. God bless.